Battery recycler Cirba Solutions says it is connecting the electric vehicle battery supply chain. When a battery comes out of one EV, Cirba Solutions breaks it down into materials for another EV battery. Cirba Solutions was established in 2022 from a merger of Heritage Battery Recycling, Retrieve Technologies, and Battery Solutions, companies that have played a role in battery recycling across industries for decades. Automotive News reporter Hannah Lutz talked with David Klineski, president and CEO of Cirba Solutions, about the battery recycling process and its expansion as automakers electrify their fleets. Leaving an EV battery to decompose in a landfill can be toxic to the environment and take 100 years for it to fully break down. Battery recyclers such as Cirba Solutions are working to avoid that scenario by breaking down batteries from EVs and consumer products and repurposing their materials for future batteries. Cirba Solutions says it can take an EV battery and guarantee 95% of its materials can be shipped off to be reused in a new EV battery. The company says it works with nearly every major U.S. automaker.
Every time I talk to our customers, the feedback is that we trust you. We trust that you're going to process the batteries safely and transport them safely. Two, that you're going to do it now and you're going to make sure that those materials get back into our supply chain because that's what's critical.
Cirba Solutions has a partnership with Honda to help the automaker achieve its goal of making EV batteries 100% recyclable. David explained how Cirba Solutions is working with automakers on the EV battery design to help speed up the recycling process for it.
If you've got 150 different bolts and nuts on there, it takes a lot of time because you got to change the tool out. So how can they be consistent on the different types of materials that they use? And again, thinking about how do you extract the valuable part of that battery pack, which has metal and steel and aluminum around it, how do you extract that easier?
Depending on the location, the battery recycling company says a little over a third of the materials that come in are from EVs. But as automakers and battery makers build gigafactories, David says that number is expected to continue to grow rapidly.
We see as the battery industry continues to build those gigafactories, there's going to be a lot of material scrap over the next 7 to 8 years that's going to be coming out of those factories that needs to be recycled and reprocessed so it can be reused again to make a new battery.
And as the EV business plans to expand, so is Cirba Solutions. David says Cirba Solutions plans to invest over $1 billion into the business over the next 10 years. And Cirba Solutions plans to make South Carolina home to its 7th facility this year, with operations expected to begin in late 2024. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.